Hello everyone, welcome to Small World Car. Today we have got this 2015 Ford F150 Contractor truck. I know, a long name. This casting is a Matchbox. It's part of their main line. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the F150 out of its box. Now, the first thing you will notice is the paint job, which is kind of custom because it has all the logos and name of the landscaping company. As you can see, it reads Agav Acres, Year 3 since 1998, Landscape Design and Construction, and then you have all the flowers and stuff, bringing to life your toilet horticulture. Another thing you will notice from the side, the windows are tinted, so you can't really see inside. Wheels, we have seen on so many different Matchbox SUVs by now, and they look good on those one. Even here, F150 actually used to come with wheels like this. I've seen them. Also, you can see the wheel, I don't know what they're called, the wheel arches. Yeah, the wheel arches again blacked out. So that's how you used to get on these trucks. But these are extra ones, I don't think, because this rear, this looks completely custom. It doesn't look like a standard bed. Yeah, so let's move to the front now. Oh, I forgot to mention about the mirror. It was the mirror, which is good. Up front, you can see where the headlamp is, the grill is, everything, but none of them are detailed. You got this orange turn indicators kind of paint on the top, but none of them are detailed. You do miss out on windshield wipers. This looks like a winch up front, so there might be a winch. Now, this was the driver's side, so let's move to the passenger side. Looks almost identical. I don't see any major differences. You can see the steps. These are present on the other side too. And as I said, this bed looks like a custom one made for the work. So you've got different toolboxes here. So you can see 1, 2, 3 toolboxes. Let's move to the back. Again, here you can also see it's kind of custom. It doesn't have the standard bed. Has something that opens from the middle. Tail lamps, even these look different. They're not standard what you get on a F150 truck, but the bumper finished in gray. And if you look on the bed, there are certain tools in there, and you can also see something that looks like the pine cones, not the pine cones, sorry, the cones the traffic cones, my bad. And these, the top rail here, they're usually used to, put ladders and other stuff on the top of the truck, which are longer, so they use that. Even on the top, you can see marker lamps, suggesting it's slightly bigger and wider. And even here on the bumper, you can see that steel, the diamond pattern. So it's definitely custom made for this job. So overall, well, I think it's a decent casting. Definitely can use more details, but yeah, it doesn't look bad. Also, Matchbox says it's 1:64. There's some dimension scales on them, so not bad. Yeah, definitely can use more details though. Should you get one? Well, depends on you. I got this one because I like to have some work trucks in my collection too, so I saw this, I liked it. If you're someone like me, go ahead, get this one. And if you can detail them, well, it's gonna look even better. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.